Hello, and today we will draw Mae Jemison. Mae Jemison is an American engineer, physician, and astronaut who made history in 1992 as the first Black woman to travel into space. She is also a strong advocate for science education. So let's get started by making her face. I am making a U shape first for the face. Let's make her ears. All right, let's make her hairline. All right, let's make the top of her head. All right, let's make her eyes. I made a point here and a dark point here. And then we will make a rainbow like this. I should have made the rainbow first, then the dark point, but it's still fine. And let's make her eyebrows. All right, let's make her nose. And so let's make her mouth by making a M shape like this and a U shape to connect. And let's make a horizontal line. All right, so we have her mouth. And we are done with her face. So let's make the neck ring. So let's make almost a circle underneath her face. And let's make a matching, almost a circle. All right, so let's make her helmet. So we are going to make a rainbow shape from here to here. And let's give her helmet a little glare. So I made a horizontal line like this and two curved lines like this and a horizontal line to give the effect that her spacesuit is showing a little glare from the sun. All right, let's make the rest of her spacesuit. And let's make a horizontal line here and a horizontal line here. And let's come into the spacesuit about right here. And let's do the other side. All right, let's make her space gloves. And let's do the other side. One small little heel like this and a large one like this for her space gloves. All right, let's finish up with her spacesuit. So let's make the top portion a vertical line here and a vertical line here. And let's connect by making a horizontal line. And let's make the pants just a little bit off the edge here. Let's go out just a little bit like this. And let's do the other side. And let's make a horizontal line. One here and one here. And let's make a V shape between these two lines like this. And come down. All right, let's make her space boots. We have her space pants. Let's make her space boots. One line like this going out, then a small horizontal line, come down, then come across, then connect. Let's do the other side. One line going out just a little bit like this, make a horizontal line, come down, then across, then connect from here to her pants for her space boots. All right, let's make the zipper of her spacesuit by making 2 vertical lines like this. And let's make the zip tie of her spacesuit. And let's make 2 rectangles, one here and one here for her space pants. And these are the space pockets, space everything. All right, and let's add patches to her spacesuit, okay? So let's make a rectangle here. And let's make a bird shape by making a wavy line like this. And then another one like this, as if it's the American eagle. And let's make some patches here. Maybe one patch here. And let's draw a circle here. So we are done drawing Mae Jemison. So let's add some stars in the background. So let's make a diagonal line like this, then one like this, then in the center and across. So I'm going to make some stars throughout this picture. So we are done drawing Mae Jemison. As you can see, the colors I use on my left. I hope you had fun. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.